Katanat pulit ke jela mentakasi ke khalai trip nailar kalapan kesani ledi habai day bat ke jisha siat yap u general secretary barim ke HNLC uba cheers to fail thank you da ka boong ke ke baki la pendep kade kat kum kisaki ke baki la lum haswa halor ke jingnok ti jong u bat ke jing petai bom IED hakli riat bat lai mkra ha ke jigedu bat kilat phai kubor ke bau lakhot kerpang director general of police ke jela u R Chandranathan ulong ke pulit kilasiat uba cheers banyada yeledi bat ban lai na ke jingmen sam haba keli halor ke bun kijingkeli udijpi umsyam latre banjuba bi kijingkeli handai daga bakalan kumni kumtai bat pingsan ben ba kidon kijingtep kawatikana bodon kiti hakiti kampentrem.
You know, you're aware that the recent bomb blast at Lalbukra on the 10th August, which the HNLC claimed, and also the 14th July blast at Clariot, which was witnessed in a police reserve. During the investigation of these two cases, we found incontrovertible evidence. I emphasize incontrovertible evidence of the involvement of Shri Chesterfield Thank, especially in the Clarion bomb blast case. And we also found his involvement and links to the Shillong blast case. This was the background on which our teams, yesterday night, one team from led by the SP, East Jayanta Hills, and one team under the SP traffic was looking after the law and order also of Shillong. These two officers with small force, they searched with a view to search his house and to arrest him, take him into custody. When they entered his house, there was resistance from his side. In the belly, he tried to stab one of the constables. Purely exerting the right of private defense, one round was fired. Chesterfield Thank was injured in the abdomen. Unfortunately, he succumbed to his injuries when he was taken to the civil hospital. Our teams have seized the firearm, the knife, and incriminating documents from the place of occurrence. Our investigation is going on. A case has been taken up under Maulai PS, that is details 39(8)21 under section 353/506/307 IPC. So at the moment I have these facts I want to bring to your notice.
Was there a possibility that Mr. Chesterfield could have been arrested? Did you did you put in all efforts to arrest him?
I told you the background of the incident. We had to arrest him in the interest of the case. Now this thing has happened. He should not have challenged the police party. It was a wrong thing to do.
Doesn't seem plausible that a guy with a knife attacking 5-6 people armed with weapons. That is what
it's not like that. The ground is always different. When incidents take place, it's most of the times it's not the way you expect it to.
The morning operation.
No, of course he's aware of the operation. He's been told of the operation.
So the HNLC has claimed, let me also ask, the HNLC has claimed that
they should come out with specific allegations, like that you can say anything.
No, but he had delivered this letter, which is dated 16th of January 2021 to the Home Minister. It was cherished that.
Now, how is this related to this particular investigation?
It might be.
No, is it related to this, my investigation? I told you.
See, because the HNLC have been talking about this talk.
And on the one hand, is acting as a peace between government and the HNLC.
No, government said don't mix up. I think you're not ready for. No, please understand.
Has he been
No,
acted
let's
as a
discuss.
mediator between the
Please
government
understand.
and-
Please understand. Please understand.
and-
Please understand. Let's discuss facts. The government's position was very clear that you eschew violence and come for talks. Their condition was very clear, and their position was very clear. Their position was a conditional position. Government position is very clear. You eschew and accept the surrender policy and come. You can talk anything after that. But when the other side was conditional, then there was no prospect of going further. And at the moment, as far as my this particular case is concerned, I think it's not relevant.
Did you know that Chesterfield is going to trigger more blast, and so you allowed him to trigger the blast so that you can catch him and nab him or shoot him?
No, we decided to arrest him because we had reached a point where we had incontrovertible evidence against him. This I am saying on record.
Before the Limecroft blast or after the Limecroft blast?
No, I am saying that the very fact that.
So why was he not arrested before the Limecroft blast then? When you had so much of evidence against him?
No, I did not say that. We knew about this before. I said the point in time and space when we were convinced, then we decided. Have you understood that? It's not very easy to arrest people, you know.
So at what time was this information convinced you to arrest Chesterfield?
No, I told you. The moment we were convinced, we decided to go ahead because in 15th August celebrations, was
So
not
you
the
have
problem.
sent a team at 3 a.m. in the morning. Is it
These are operational details, tactical details. These are not to be discussed in the public domain.
So any more arrests in the Limukra on blast?
No, Limwood could have been investigating.
Any more arrests?
Not today.
Matter of the investigation is my privilege. I'm not supposed to reveal matters or nuances related to investigation. Investigation normally will tell you about the case details and the harassment. How much time we took, what is the evidence and all that is because we are under the jurisdiction of the courts, you see. I told you in the beginning, we have incontrovertible evidence of this involved. That's okay, that's fine.
So you have also arrested Tenzing Khongla. Is he also part of this?
Tenzing Khongla is, an unknown harborer who was linked with HNLC. So he was arrested.
Would there have been reports that he's an informer or something?
It's a matter of investigation, I told you. It's a matter of, if you have something to tell us, we'll be too happy. If you have a contrary point of view, we are too happy to examine that. But these are all matters of investigation.